Hi guys! Another day, another client. Ngayon, meron kami ngayong prenuptial sa All Group Batangas. Ito yung aming preparation dito sa aking makeup studio. Nakasama ko ngayon ang aking one of my beautiful client. Beautiful bride, walang iba kundi si Miss Alejandra. Ano, excited ka na ba, Mars?
Okay naman po, kinakabahan.
Tinakabahan ka. Napakaganda at ang gwapo rin ng groom niya. Bagay na bagay sila. Iyon, nag-prepare na ako ng gamit. Mag-i-start na kami for the few minutes. Tapos mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung ganda ng The Old Group Batangas. Tama? Di ba, Mars? Okay? See you later. Tapos na kami, mga kaibigan. Nagsaset ako ng hair. Kasi mamaya ko to aalisin pagdating namin ng location sa Old Group, Batangas. Yun, excited na kami. Eto. Tatlong gown na, tatlong outfit na kayang susuotin ngayon, kaya abangan niyo na. Punta na kami ng Batangas. Ito na one of my beautiful clients, si Mami. Parang hindi Mami, parang amo nila. Come on, ito kanilang ultimo. Ang guwapo, mana-mana kay Daddy. Come on, let's go. Eto na guys, start na kami, tapos na yung aming makeover. Bonggang-bongga ang aking yayamaning bride. Go, kita mo naman, napakaganda. Mars, any message?
Thank you po, may Celestina and po. Thank you din sa nakakaganda.
Iyon, abangan nyo yung mga susunod niyang outfit. At abangan nyo rin yung mga susunod na ng eksena. Come on, let's start na kami. Let's go.
Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right, every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait, trust in love to fate, finding out too late that they've lost it, never letting go. They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You've got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. It's magic when two people fall in love. I may never know why I need you so. All I need to know is this feeling. Handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love.